Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check emote deck on the Clash Royale application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. Now go to the card icon at the bottom of the screen and click to the second option, and here you can check the emote deck and tower skins, and in the emote deck section you can select this emote, and you can check another decks. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.